Achiever Studio.
The main difference between a prime and composite number is that for prime numbers, there are only exactly two factors, one in itself. For example, numbers like 2, 3, 7, 11, and 17. So for example, over here 2, I only have 1 and 2. 3 is just 1 and 3. 7, I have 1 and 7. 11, I have 1 and 11. And 17, of course, likewise, I have only 1 and 17. So 2 is actually the only even number, and it is the smallest prime number. Okay, so it means that for number 1 itself, it is not a prime and not composite because 1 is just 1 times 1, which makes it having only one factor. Okay, so 1 is just an integer. It's not prime and not composite. As for composite numbers, it's the opposite of prime. It will have more than two different factors. So for example, numbers like 12, 15, 18, and 20. For 12, I have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. 15, I have 1 and 15, 3 and 5. 18, we have 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. And likewise for 20, I have 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. So you will realize that they actually have a lot more different factors. So they are composite numbers. Okay, so let's take a look at this table below. I have numbers from 1 to 50, and let's circle all the prime numbers in the table. So other than 2, I can first cross out all the even numbers over here because all the even numbers will be divisible by 2 itself. So they will definitely have more than 2 factors, except for number 2 itself, because 2 has only 1 and 2 as their factors. Okay? The other line that I can cross out, it's 15, 25, 35, and 45, because all these numbers, they are definitely divisible by 5 itself. Okay, so looking at the first row, we have 2, 3, 5, 7 as our prime numbers. 9, it's not a prime because 1 and 9, 3 and 3. They are all the factors of 9. 11, it's prime. 13, it's prime. 17, 19, they are all prime numbers as well. 21, it's divisible by 3 and 7. 23, it's a prime number. 27, we have 1 and 27, 3 and 9. So that's definitely composite. 29, yes, it's a prime number again. Okay. 31, it is not divisible by 2, 3, 4, or 5. So yes, that's a prime number. 33, it's divisible by 3 and 11. 37, it's not divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it is a prime number. 39, it's divisible by 3 and 13. 41, again, it's prime. 43, it's prime. 47, it is a prime number, whereas 49, it's a composite because it is divisible by 7 as well. Okay, so now do you know the difference between prime and composite numbers?